Login failed on ProRealTime App Fix. You're ready to analyze charts or place a trade, but when you open the ProRealTime app, it refuses to log in. That login failed message can be annoying, but most of the time, the cause is simple and easy to fix. First, check your internet connection. ProRealTime depends on real-time data, and even minor connection drops can cause login issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or toggle airplane mode on and off. You might be surprised how often this works. Next, ensure your app is fully updated. Open your App Store or Google Play, search for ProRealTime, and tap Update. Old app versions can lose compatibility with new security updates, leading to failed logins. Now, recheck your credentials. Most login errors happen because of incorrect usernames or passwords, especially if you use autofill or password managers. Type your details manually. If you've changed your password recently, make sure you're using the new one. If you can't remember it, use the Forgot Password feature. Another step that helps is clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, ProRealTime Clear Cache. On iPhone, deleting and reinstalling the app does the same job. This clears any corrupted data that could block access. If you're using Epiphone, turn it off temporarily. ProRealTime servers sometimes restrict logins from unfamiliar apps, especially if you're connecting from another country. Lastly, the issue might not be your fault. During maintenance or peak trading hours, ProRealTime servers can experience delays or downtime. Wait 10 to 15 minutes before trying again. So, when your ProRealTime app says login failed, remember it's rarely permanent. Check your internet, update your app, re-enter your login info, clear your cache, and disable your phone. In most cases, you'll be back viewing charts and analyzing markets within minutes.